You don't know how to make toast? I mean, are you kidding? Why else are you watching this video? You searched YouTube or Google for how to make toast and you found me. Or you're one of my loyal friends, you think this video is going to be funny. Or you search for how to make toast, you saw other videos that were funny, you thought this was going to be funny. Well, this is not funny. This is quite sad that you're wasting your time watching videos on how to make toast. Anyway, I'm not going to show you how to make toast. I mean, get a piece of bread, put in the toaster, push the button down, and when it comes up, it's toast. And if it's a little burnt, take a knife and scrape the burnt portion off. But if you want a great recipe for how to make chicken wings, search for Sultry Chicken Wing Recipe right here on this channel. I hope that helps. I hope you get over your quest for how to make toast. I mean, come on.